Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning upon the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm in a room. Don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the defense has highlighted on transcripts key aspects of the motion before the UK Privy Council. Now, viewers and subscribers, entrapment, yes, is one of them. Now, one of the key aspects of entrapment is, first and foremost, government agents do not entrap defendants simply by offering them the opportunity to commit an act. Judges expect people to resist any ordinary temptations to violate the law. An entrapment defense arises when government agents resort to repugnant behavior, such as the use of threats, harassment, fraud, and even flattery to induce defendants to commit an act. Now, viewers and subscribers, we will highlight the harassment and even the fraud. Now, for those not in the know, because some people like to say, where you get your info from? It is clear that you were not paying attention to the trial itself or the appeal. Now, viewers and subscribers, and there was even the defamation and that was presented to the courts themselves when Commissioner of Police Owen Ellington and we can say Television Jamaica, when an episode of Current Affairs and a program called All Angles hosted by Dian Jackson Miller, in which statements were made by Owen Ellington, to which High Command even admitted, saying that those claims were already well established. Through what? Through music. Who made those claims? Because you are the JCF. So if you are saying you were making these claims without investigation based on opinion of others, that is clear admission of guilt. Now, Owen Ellington, who himself, viewers and subscribers, was charged as a co-conspirator by the USA's DEA. Think about it. The Commissioner of Police was charged by the United States for drug offenses while making statements about Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, which the defense says prejudiced the whole case itself. Remember, this is public television. This are not just two people at a bar sitting down holding a conversation. This is public television on which the program deals with current affairs from what they say, quote unquote, all different angles. To which statements were made, viewers and subscribers, that tarnish the artist's character on public television by the Commissioner of Police. To which the High Command themselves admitted to by saying that the statements which were echoed by Owen Ellington were statements already being made by people. People where? Isn't the job and the task of the JCF to do investigations before making any public statements? One of the reasons why they will say do not talk about a case before the courts or a case being investigated by officers is that you do not want to corrupt the public opinion. You want to do your investigation so you can present findings and evidence. How dare the Commissioner of Police come on public TV and make statements about the artists not based in facts but based in rumors, while he himself being involved in acts deemed by the state as illegal. Remember, this individual was charged, and they said these occurrences, these scenarios, these things that they accused. Remember, I was not there. Me never see him do it. But this is what the DEA in the USA said. He committed these acts while being Commissioner of Police. What you telling me say? What you telling me say? the statements made were harassment. It can be filed as such, for one. It was also fraudulent because there was no proof for the statement given by the police. Think about it. The commissioner of police made a statement. We can consider that was an official JCF statement. It was fraudulent. They had no proof to make that statement. That statement itself was fraudulent. Entrapment. Now we also present this, viewers and subscribers. When the courts offered to the teacher that the only way you could record music, viewers and subscribers, was if he signed a document admitting guilt just to record music. Now let's point this out. The entrapment law is a leash intended to curb the outrageous conduct by police officers and other public officials, such as the justice system itself. When the judge offered something like, yes, we know you are one of Jamaica's most famous musicians, you are a national treasure, do you want to continue making the music that you are loved the world over for? To which he was expecting an undoubtedly yes from Vybz Kartel. But the only clause were that you would have to admit guilt while this individual was maintaining him innocence. You can't tell me say an entrapment that too. While an individual is maintaining his innocence, appealing his sentence, you are offering this individual the opportunity to record music, but only if he would admit guilt and subsequently forfeit his appeal. You know, see, the state did not try to cover for the state. If you don't see it by now, I think you're wearing shades. You might be wearing shades. I don't know if a Ray-Ban, I don't know if a Cartier, but you might be wearing shades if you can't see. If you are not seeing this clear as day, you must be wearing shades. May I tell you? It is evident, viewers and subscribers. The attempts by the powers that be, and it forward from all angles, just like the name of the program. It did forward from established mainstream media. Remember the RGR group to which TVJ belongs. That we can consider established mainstream media. We need to talk about television. Mainstream. Remember, TVJ was one of the first television stations. Then, what they called? JBC. No, it have a different name. I did before I was born. But that did at the first station. Yeah, I did have. Established media. And statements like this were made on their platform. By who? Well, the highest rank you can attain in the JCF is being Commissioner of Police. It goes no higher than that. You cannot attain any higher rank in the JCF other than Commissioner of Police. Now, when statements can be sent, made on public television live, this program is aired live by the Commissioner himself, then this is clearly harassment. And if the statements are not based on investigations done by the JCF, then they are fraudulent statements being made by Owen Ellington. I don't know if it was to put focus on other individuals, knowing that he was living a double life. He was living a double life. Being a major kingpin and also being the head of the JCF. That's a double life if you know nothing about double life. That is the definition of living a double life. On opposite sides of the track too. It's not like he was a fireman in Manchester while living as the Commissioner of Police in Kingston and St. Andrew, which would be impossible. Because his face would be all over everywhere. People that know him face. But, yo, Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Vice to the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, drop a like on the vlog for me, like with your ear, viewers and subscribers. You know the something, go comment section open 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop it out the comments and your opinions there. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. My sentiments for those who don't. I want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.